Abdali Grammar School, Science. Lesson: Matter and its Characteristics. Chapter number 4. Lecture number 1. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Welcome back, dear beginners. Welcome to the world of matter. Our today's new lecture is about matter and the introduction of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. As you see in this picture, some example of matter are there. Dear students, to understand the matter you first know about mass and volume. The amount of matter in an object is called mass. The space occupied by the object is called volume. Dear students, start discussing about density. The density of a material or an object is its mass per unit volume. Density is responsible for the sinking and floating of any object. For example, objects that have low density float on water, and objects that have high density sinks in water surface. Dear students, let's learn the formula of density, which is mass per unit volume. Our next slide is about the states of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. First we learn the solid. Solid have definite shape and volume. The particles of solid are tightly packed. Here are some examples of solids: chair, marble, iron rod, book, wooden block, coins. Next state is liquid. Liquids have definite volume, but they do not have definite shape. Particles of liquids are not tightly packed. Liquids take shape of the container in which they poured. Examples of liquid are water, honey, oil, different drinks. Let's learn about gas. Gases do not have definite shape and volume. The particles of gas move freely or easily. Common example of gases are nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Dear student, let's repeat the arrangement of particles in 3 states of matter. Solid particles have no space, they are tightly packed. Liquid particles have space between them. The particles of gas are far from away, they have lot of space between them. I hope you understand the matter and its 3 states. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.